Hey guys, Steve here. I just wanted to get on and make a video real quick to talk about this new funnel that I was share coded. It's called the free money funnel. And this is an opportunity to get free money from major corporations legitimately. So it is legit. And I'll show you what companies these are. And if you're not familiar with them, why don't you sign up, take a look at it yourself, and then just get the app and then do what this system is saying to do. Now, like I said, it's absolutely free. So let's get behind the scenes here and go past the capture page. Here's the welcome page, and Bones Rodriguez is the creator of this funnel. It was share coded to me because I belong in his group. And if you would like to do the same, you can come down here and click this link below. Okay? So this is the welcome video. He explains basically why he created this system. And it has a lot to do with people not believing and people always crying broke or not having money. But this is a free opportunity to get money. No charge, right? So, do what he says here. Just follow the instructions and make sure you just give him a thanks on his Facebook page. Okay. And then down here at the bottom, since this was share coded to me, and it's my funnel now too, because it was shared with me in the Power Lead system, because that's what you can do, right? And it's very affordable. Actually, I'll leave a link in the description box below for a free 7-day trial. And you could use this same funnel. Down here, it also, since I'm linked to this using a share code, this right here belongs to me. This promotes my business. So when I share this funnel, my business, my primary business is associated with this link. Okay, and if I click it, it takes it to this capture page, and this is a whole different system by itself. So that's how you use one system, free system, to promote your primary business. So basically, I'm going to be giving you money to check out my primary business, right? Like, that's genius, right? But most people won't do it as he describes in the video, but don't be like most people and just do it, right? Anyway, so this is the welcome page, and what we'll do here is we will go down to the bottom. I already did this function and told him, big ups, thanks, and everything, So he says, wait, read here. Did you skip the thank you part? Are you a jerk? That's pretty funny, right? So he just wants you to go say thank you, and so you can continue to get your free money. So you hit continue, and it takes you to the first app that you can get free money with. Now, this app, most people know, it's called Dosh. Or Dosh or whatever. And right here, this link will take you to the Dosh app, okay? And what's special about this page, as soon as it loads, I'm not sure why it's my internet being slow today, but it takes you straight to the app where you can get here or here, right? And check it out. So you must use this code. So it just takes you to a place to get the app, right? So it's totally legit, straight to the Apple Store. And if I clicked on Google Play to get the app, it would take me to, now I'm just walking you through this so you know that this is genuine. It takes me directly to the Dosh so I can sign up and, get whatever the promotion is at the time. So let's go back here to the free money funnel. So that's Dosh. And here's the promotions that Dosh can or Dosh promotes. You can get from $1 to $15 just for signing up. And you can get $5 to $15 for every free referral. Well, that's great, right? That's free money, right? Who doesn't want free money? And I just showed you how legit it was, right? So, but what's unique about this is he also gives you this special link here. And if you look close, it says your Dosh ID, okay? So what you would do is after you sign up with Dosh, you would take this link and put your ID at the end of the link, okay? So, so I'll copy and I'll put that up here, right? And since I do know so that's the link, and I'll hit enter and see where it takes me. Now that link, like I said, that link is here. You would just put your Dosh ID here, and then you would use that link to give to somebody else to promote it, right? And so basically you come to this page where he tells you a little more instructions. It's USA only. Then he goes through the rundown of how you can use this Dosh app yourself, right? Right? So you would use this app because it says your Dosh ID. So this is a shareable page that you can use to walk somebody through the steps in order to get their $5 or whatever Dosh promotion is at the time. And all you have to do is link your ID to it. Now, this would be my ID. So let's say my ID was this. That would be my ID, right? So if I hit that and I refresh the page, you see I just put that name up there like it's my ID, and I'm refreshing the page. So now this particular page is coded to me. So if I shared it, all of a sudden, now when I scroll through, use this code. See, this is my code. I don't know, it's not really my code, but this is my code now to use when you're getting Dosh, so that the person who referred it to you can get the credit, and you would do the same thing, and then the other person would do the same thing, and everybody would pass along, and we all could claim money from Dosh for free, just for signing up. So that's how that works. Now, again, at the bottom of this funnel, this page, it promotes my primary business. So I'm giving you free money, and I want you to check out my business, right? But it doesn't stop there. So now we hit continue again. Now it takes you to the next free money getting app, right? And this one is called Digit. Okay, so it gives you a basic rundown of what Digit is. Now, if you get the Digit app, you can get $5 a welcome. Then you can get a $5 referral up to and for 3 referrals, you get a $100 bonus. Wow, that is already over $100 when you count the Dosh, right? So it's easy money. Yes, let it take out $5 from your account. It's a savings account. And he goes in to describe what Dosh is and walks you through the official website. So it's legit. Actually, I have the app already. It is legit. And you can set it to only take out, how much money you want if you wanted to, or you can just put it on pause and still collect people's referrals. So, you can do whatever you want. So what's special about this now? You can make free money here. You refer 3 people, you get $100. Wow. So just do it, right? So then again, down here, he gives you that very special link again that you can share with your friends that tell you these exact instructions. So let's take a look at that one again, like we did last time. So copy this link. Let's put it up here and paste it. Now, remember, this says your Digit ID, and it's just the website that's a shareable website. And so again, we're to this page. This is a shareable page that you can use, and he gives you the instructions of how to use this page. And down here is your Digit information. And like I said, if you look in the bottom left-hand corner down here, look down here. When I hover over this, it says what? Digit, your Digit ID. So that means that this button will be programmed to any ID that you have here. So when you share the page, someone signs up, you get the referral fee, then they can use this same page and promote it the same way. Voila, that is affiliate marketing in simple terms, right? Then down here, you can click here, it takes you straight to the Apple Store or the Google Store, and you can get the app. And he's just clarifying your information here. And why wouldn't you? Then he has a proof video, right? And like, why wouldn't you, right? And then down here further, he just explains it more. And then he has a special bonus that if you click this and use this affiliate ID with your information on it, of course, he will add you to his super rotator. So you can make money and don't even know it because you'll be in his rotator. So, that's awesome, right? Anyway, here's how you would post the message on social media. So he gives you the marketing material. You would just highlight this, copy and paste. You could probably change the date, copy and paste, and post it on social media. And when somebody volunteers, like whatever, you can give them this link and they can get 5 and you can get 5. So it's really not it's all legit. It's free money. So let's go back and see what else is in this funnel. So that was what? Digit. Okay, so we scroll down again. My primary business is promoted because this funnel share coded to me, and I'm promoting the $7 business that you can make $6 commission if you're curious. And it gives you your contact information. So you hit continue. Acorn. Now here's the next referral program. This is Acorn. It's legit. I know you all saw commercials, and he walks you through the same thing again. You can get another $5 just for opening up an investment account for $5. You can get $5. And then anybody that you referred to does the same thing, and they get 5 and you get 5. So you're automatically growing your investment account that you can take out at any time, but also, this is free money again. You can't beat it. So once again, he said, hey, don't forget to say thank you, And again, on this page, promoting your primary business, this is only for if you're in the Power Lead system. You can put your business down here to be promoted. So next, you hit continue. And here is the finale, right, where it says now, if you want this same funnel, you can join the Power Lead system with a free trial. So you can put that money that you just got to use, right? And you can you can do this, and you can make $20 a month residually if you get people to walk through this exact step. Now, think about this. We went through the welcome page. We got $5 here. We got Digit, another 5. But if we got 3 referrals, that's $100. And if we keep just duplicating this same process, we would have enough to pay for the Power Lead system, which is only, $30 a month. But this is a free trial. Imagine how much money you can get on that 7-day free trial just if you promote this. Imagine how much. I don't know how much it's all about your effort, right? So, and you can make a commission if the person you're promoted to sees that this is useful. So this is a no-brainer once again. You join up for Power Lead System, a gold member, you get the share code. And he walks it all through of how to even set up the funnel on the back end. You can, we left one off. But you're adding around $35 to $50 for free per customer who uses this system. Again, $30 to $50 more money, and it's free per person. So there's no illegitimacy about it, no schemes, no scams, no in-betweens, none of that. This is totally legit, and you can use the Power Lead system to promote it, okay? And it gives you the share code because you can't do nothing with the share. If you don't got Power Lead system gold member, you can't do nothing with the share code. So he puts it on here along with the instructions, right? And he walks you through, get a domain, do this, then do this, then do this, So he lays it all out. And again, this is free money, and the same funnel can be yours, okay? So on that note, I just want to, and let's see, special upgrade. That's what we just covered. The facts, let's look what the facts are. The facts, here's just some testimonials. Click here, get the free trial. So he includes all of that in this funnel, and he gives you some more bonuses of how to, keep repeating it until you're rich. He gives you bonuses of what Facebook groups to promote in, and you can get instant access. So that's the overview of the free funnel. And let me show you the Power Lead system. This is one funnel page of one sales page of the Power Lead system that's called 24/7 Viral Cash. And it explains in simple terms what you get and what you can do with it. And it's basically a done for you system, and it pays you passive income on the work that hundreds or even thousands do, which is exactly what this funnel does. This gives you passive income on the work of others. So you pass it around, they fill out the They fill it, they download the app, they get the app, they set it up by following the steps, and you're getting referral fees, hand over fees. You're just getting referral fees, right? And they're getting money. So why not? So why not? The hardest part is convincing people that you can make money online, and you shouldn't have to convince anybody. But anyway, so this is the Power Lead system, and it's a whole business in a box. It's a marketing tools that every MLMer or top marketer or affiliate or internet entrepreneur needs. It has unlimited custom lead capture pages, which you saw that Bones created with the free money funnel, built-in autoresponders, that's linked to that capture page, and step-by-step traffic and lead training. Now, you can always subscribe to my channel, and I can help you. Set up your Power Lead system. I can walk you through the steps. I can do whatever. You know what I mean? I like this tool, so I use this tool. And as you can see with the share codes, you can do a lot with it if you link up with the right people. So when your referrals share this particular page, you get paid a stream of 50% matching commissions. Okay. So like I said, this is what the Power Lead System compensation plan is. And I have a video on my site, on one of my videos on YouTube explains that. But you refer 3 and your gold membership is free. Basically, it'll be $30 a month for a regular customer, but as an affiliate, it'll be $53, but you get $20 per referral recurring every month. So if you had 4 people under you, that's $80 a month that you would get, okay? And if you had somebody who made, say Joe, which was one on your line, if he made $1,000 in 1 month, you get a 50% match. So you would get a check for $500. So you see how easy it is to make money when you duplicate and replicate the system, see? So it all starts with this free money funnel, which I'm giving you money for free. If you want to duplicate this easy, simple success, you can sign up for the Power Lead system and then compound those earnings, right? And there's no guarantee because it's all about your hustle, but you can replicate and duplicate what is already working. And obviously it's working. So, and I'll let you listen to those videos that explain how it works and the testimonials. So it's a great system. Also on the back end, you can always get extra cash if people get additional training. You can get an extra $100 here, you can get extra $400 here, and you can get extra $1,000 here if people sign up to those particular training programs. So you have the potential to make a lot of money. But like I said, it's all about your drive and your hustle. So here it just breaks down how this system works and the actual cost of the system. But all you have to do is refer others, and you can do that on Facebook. You can get paid traffic, or you can make YouTube videos, which aren't that hard, right? So anyway, I'll leave a link in the description box below for a 7-day free trial, and you have the funnel in the description box below. So if you click on that, combine it with your free trial, let's see how much free money you can get in 7 days. And then you can see how worth it this whole system is. So like I said, this funnel link will be in the description box below. It's called the free money funnel. And then I'll have a link for a 7-day free trial in the description box below. But it doesn't stop there. I'll also put a link in the description box for additional free training. And all you have to do is sign up, and actually you just go to a particular Facebook group and you can get free training there too on how to generate leads and build a list. So that's all I got. But once again, this is called the free money funnel, and I highly suggest that you use it. It's the easiest money that you can possibly get, and all you have to do is download some apps and then refer those apps. And that's what they want you to do anyway. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.